How to transfer money from Revolut to Barclays. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Revolut to Barclays in just a few simple steps. So first, open Revolut and log in. Launch the Revolut app and log into your account. Next is go to transfers. Tap on the transfer tab at the bottom. Tap the add icon at the top right to add a new payee. Then select international transfer. Choose Send International and set the destination to United Kingdom. Enter payment details. Type in the amount that you want to send. Enter your Barclays account details. Tap Continue and confirm the transaction. And that's it. Your money is on its way to Barclays. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.